at 5.
Estás muy guapa, güey.
All right, people. Service is open.
Say you'll wait for me.
I'll wait for you.
Sometime soon. We help Pedro with the papers, get him legal.
Ahí podemos empezar de cero. Get out of this place. Come on. God gave us a chance to share a dream. Tú quieres más. Algo más.
Service.
I think I'm missing 800 from one of the registers.
Anybody knows anything at all about this money, you make sure it gets told.
Got that poor boy ready?
Where'd you get the money?
Don't worry about it.
Back to work! Now!
I can't, baby. I'm working.
Wait, I just want you to hear me.
Where is the goddamn food?